Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your Pulse 3D headset with your Mac or MacBook. So let's begin the video. Basically, there are two ways to connect your Pulse 3D headset with your Mac or MacBook. The first method is wired and the other is wireless. So it's all going to depend on your preferences. First of all is the wired method. For this, you're going to use the cable that comes with your Pulse 3D headset, basically the audio cable. So you're going to connect one end of the audio cable with your 3D headset, and it does not need to be powered on, as it's going to take power using this cable or the audio signal. And on the Mac you are going to have a 3.5 millimeter jack either on this side or on the other side. So you're simply going to connect it with the 3.5 millimeter jack, and that's it. And now you can just simply open your Mac and play anything on the Mac. So here on the Mac I am playing my video, and if I can actually show you, if I zoom in on the Mac, you are going to have this little headphone icon. If you click on it, you can select the MacBook speakers, or in my case the external headphones, which I have selected right now. So now the audio is coming from the Pulse 3D headsets. So this is the first way using the wired method. The second way is to wirelessly connect your Pulse 3D headset with your Mac or MacBook. Now I should tell you that although they have Bluetooth, but they do not connect directly with the Mac or MacBook. For this you are going to use the dongle that comes with the PlayStation Pulse 3 headset, and we are going to use it to connect with our Pulse 3 headset. So it's going to have a type A cable, and most probably your Mac does not have it. So you're going to need a type C to type A converter. These are pretty cheap and readily available in the market. So you're going to connect it like this and connect it to any port of your Mac or MacBook's port. Now on the Pulse 3D, you're going to simply power it on. It's going to show a blue blinking light, and it will automatically connect with the Mac. And for the basically receiver, on the bottom you're going to see this little light, which means that it is searching for the Pulse 3D headset. If I go to the speaker icon, you can see it has already connected with our Pulse 3D headset via Bluetooth using that dongle. So these are the two ways in which you can connect your Pulse 3D headset with your Mac or MacBook. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.